How to log out ChatGPT. To log out of ChatGPT, first of all, we open our browser or maybe the app. You can currently see I'm on chatgpt.com and I'm also logged into my account. So what should I do if I want to log out of my account? Well, to log out of our ChatGPT account, you simply have to click the profile icon which is located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then when you've done that, from the list of menu options, you can simply go to the one that says Logout. Then when you click the Logout button, you will be successfully logged out of your ChatGPT account. Now another way is you can simply go to Settings, and when you're under General, you'll find the Logout button here as well. This is the way on how you can log out of ChatGPT. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.